From the moment we are born, time marches forward, leaving its mark on us all. We watch as lines etch themselves onto our faces, a testament to years filled with laughter and worry. Our bodies, once brimming with youthful energy, gradually begin to slow, a reminder of our own mortality. Aging, it seems, is an inevitable part of life, an unstoppable clock ticking away. But what if we could slow down the clock, or even stop it altogether? Imagine a world where the passage of time no longer dictates the decline of our bodies. The idea of halting aging, once confined to the realms of science fiction, is now a topic of serious scientific exploration. Researchers around the world are working tirelessly to understand the complex mechanisms of aging, hoping to unlock the secrets to a longer, healthier life. This quest to understand and potentially conquer aging is driven by a fundamental human desire: to live longer, healthier lives, free from the diseases and decline that often accompany old age. Imagine the possibilities if we could extend our prime years. It is a quest that takes us deep into the heart of ourselves, exploring the intricate processes that govern our very existence. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of aging research, exploring the science behind why we age and the groundbreaking efforts to slow or even reverse this fundamental aspect of life. The journey promises to be as enlightening as it is awe-inspiring, challenging our assumptions about the limits of human lifespan and forcing us to confront the profound implications of a world where aging is no longer inevitable. What new horizons could we explore if time were no longer our enemy? To understand how we might slow down aging, we must first understand what happens within our bodies as we get older. Aging is a natural process, but the mechanisms behind it are complex and multifaceted. At the core of aging is a process known as cellular senescence. This is when cells lose their ability to divide and function properly. Imagine our cells as tiny factories, constantly working to keep our bodies functioning. Each cell has a specific role contributing to the overall health of our body. As we age, these factories start to slow down, becoming less efficient and accumulating damage. This decline in cellular function is a key aspect of aging. One culprit is damage to our DNA, the blueprint of life residing in each of our cells. DNA damage can have far-reaching effects on cellular health. Over time, our DNA can become damaged by environmental factors like UV radiation and toxins, which are pervasive in our surroundings, as well as by errors that occur naturally during cell division. These errors accumulate over time, contributing to the aging process. This damage can disrupt the normal functioning of our cells and contribute to the aging process. When cells malfunction, it can lead to various age-related diseases. Another factor is the shortening of our telomeres, protective caps found at the ends of our chromosomes. Telomeres play a crucial role in maintaining chromosome integrity. Picture them as the plastic tips on shoelaces, preventing them from fraying. Without these tips, our chromosomes would become unstable. With each cell division, our telomeres get a little bit shorter. This gradual shortening is a natural part of the aging process. Eventually, they become so short that they can no longer protect our chromosomes, leading to cellular dysfunction and aging. This can trigger a cascade of negative effects within the body. Beyond these specific mechanisms, there's a growing understanding that aging is a complex process involving multiple interconnected factors, including inflammation, changes in our metabolism and oxidative stress, and the decline of our stem cells. The body's repair crews, stem cells, are essential for regenerating damaged tissues and maintaining overall health. Unraveling this intricate web of interactions is crucial to developing effective strategies to combat aging. By understanding these processes, we can work towards extending healthy lifespan. While scientists have made significant strides in understanding the cellular and molecular changes that occur during aging, the fundamental question of why we age remains a subject of ongoing debate. There are numerous theories, each offering a different perspective on this complex issue. One prominent theory is the evolutionary theory of aging, which suggests that aging is not actively programmed into our genes, but is rather a consequence of natural selection weakening with age. According to this theory, genes that promote survival and reproduction early in life are favored, even if they have negative effects later in life. Another theory, the disposable soma theory, posits that organisms have a limited amount of energy to allocate between reproduction and maintenance. This theory suggests that our bodies prioritize reproduction, leaving fewer resources for repair and maintenance. ultimately leading to aging. The wear and tear theory proposes that our bodies, like machines, simply wear out over time due to the constant stress of living. This theory emphasizes the role of environmental factors such as exposure to toxins and UV radiation in accelerating the aging process. While each of these theories provides valuable insights, it's likely that aging is a multifaceted process influenced by a combination of genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors. Section 4, Turning Back the Clock. Current anti-aging strategies. The quest to slow down or even reverse the aging process has led to the development of various anti-aging strategies. Scientists and researchers around the world are dedicating significant resources to uncovering the secrets of longevity. Some of these strategies focus on lifestyle interventions such as diet and exercise, while others explore the potential of pharmaceuticals and emerging technologies. The combination of these approaches aims to tackle aging from multiple angles. One promising area of research is caloric restriction, which involves reducing calorie intake without causing malnutrition. This method has shown potential in extending lifespan and improving overall health. Studies have shown that caloric restriction can extend lifespan and improve health span in various organisms, including yeast, worms, flies, and mice. These findings have sparked interest in understanding how this can be applied to humans. However, the long-term effects of caloric restriction in humans are still being investigated. Researchers are conducting extensive studies to determine its feasibility and safety for human application. Another area of interest is the use of NAD+ supplements. These supplements are being studied for their potential to enhance cellular function and combat aging. NAD+ is a coenzyme found in all living cells and plays a crucial role in various metabolic processes, including DNA repair and energy production. Maintaining optimal levels of NAD+ is essential for cellular health. As we age, our NAD+ levels decline, and this decline is thought to contribute to the aging process. Boosting NAD+ levels could potentially slow down or even reverse some aspects of aging. NAD+ supplements aim to boost these levels and potentially slow down aging. Early research shows promise, but more studies are needed to confirm their effectiveness. Senolytics, a class of drugs that selectively eliminate senescent cells, are also gaining attention. These cells, often referred to as zombie cells, contribute to aging and age-related diseases. By removing these dysfunctional cells, senolytics hope to improve tissue function and delay age-related diseases. This approach could lead to healthier aging and increased longevity. While still in the early stages of development, senolytics hold significant promise for combating aging. Ongoing research aims to refine these drugs and understand their long-term impacts. These are just a few examples of the many avenues being explored in the fight against aging. The field of anti-aging research is vast and continually evolving. As our understanding of the aging process deepens, we can expect to see even more innovative and effective anti-aging strategies emerge in the years to come. The future of aging research holds exciting possibilities. Section 5, Living Longer, Healthier Lives. Lessons from the Blue Zones. While the search for a scientific fountain of youth continues, there are places around the world where people consistently live longer, healthier lives. These regions, known as Blue Zones, offer valuable insights into the lifestyle factors that may contribute to longevity. Located in regions as diverse as Okinawa, Japan, Sardinia, Italy, and Loma Linda, California, Blue Zones share common characteristics, including a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, regular physical activity, strong social connections, and a sense of purpose. In Okinawa, for example, residents practice a martial art called karate, which helps them maintain physical and mental agility well into old age. Sardinians, known for their shepherding tradition, engage in regular physical activity as part of their daily routines. And in Loma Linda, a community with a large population of Seventh-day Adventists, residents prioritize their spiritual well-being, which studies have linked to increased longevity. While genetics undoubtedly play a role in longevity, the lifestyle factors observed in Blue Zones suggest that we can exert significant control over our own aging process. By adopting a holistic approach that encompasses diet, exercise, social connection, and purpose, we can increase our chances of living longer, healthier lives. Section 6. The future of youth, gene therapy and CRISPR. As we venture further into the 21st century, cutting-edge technologies like gene therapy and CRISPR are revolutionizing our ability to manipulate the building blocks of life, offering unprecedented opportunities to combat aging at its very core. Gene therapy involves introducing, removing or altering genes within an individual's cells to treat or prevent disease. In the context of aging, gene therapy holds the potential to correct genetic defects that contribute to age-related decline, essentially slowing down the aging clock at its source. CRISPR, on the other hand, is a revolutionary gene editing tool that allows scientists to make precise changes to DNA sequences. This groundbreaking technology has the potential to correct genetic mutations associated with age-related diseases, effectively treating aging as a treatable condition rather than an inevitable consequence of time. While these technologies are still in their early stages of development, they hold immense promise for the future of anti-aging medicine. Imagine a future where we can use gene therapy and CRISPR to not only slow down aging, but also reverse age-related damage and rejuvenate our bodies from the inside out. The possibilities are both exhilarating and daunting, raising profound ethical and societal questions.